The next modified command that we're going to learn about is how to put rounded edges on square corners. And that is done by using the fillet command. If you look at the drop-down menu directly underneath where trim and extend were, the icon right here, this drop-down arrow, has fillet, chamfer, and blend curves. The fillet command allows you to put fillets or rounds, which we refer to a round as an outside, an outer or an exterior radius, and a fillet a lot of times referred to as an interior radius. So if we were to put a rounded corner on these edges, we do that by left-clicking the fillet command. Left-click that, and it says to select first object or undo polyline radius trim multiple. Now, every time that you want to put a radius on a corner, you cannot just start clicking lines until you set the radius. In order to set the radius, at this point, you type the letter R for radius and you hit enter. Then it asks you to specify the fillet radius. As you see, there was 0 in there, so if you would have clicked on lines, nothing would have occurred because no radius was set. If I wanted to put a 0.75 radius on that upper right corner, I would type 0.75 here, hit enter, and now I can click the lines, the top horizontal and then the right vertical, and now I've put a 3/4 or 0.75 radius edge on that corner. Now if I wanted to put another fillet on this particular corner, what I can do is right click, repeat fillet, but that corner needs a different size fillet. So I cannot just click the lines until I once again set a new radius. So I type the letter R, hit enter. I set a new radius of 2.25 and hit enter. And now I'm ready to select the lines. It doesn't matter which line you select first because the radius is the same in both directions. So it is irrelevant which line is chosen first. And now we have a 2.25 radius on that edge. Now I'm going to just make a couple of adjustments here so I can show you how to do an interior fillet the same way. So I'm just going to left click this and do a grip edit by grabbing this and sliding that up, and then grabbing this and sliding this over. And then I'm simply going to draw a line from here using the extension snap, click to that and connect here, and right click and go to enter. So now I can put an interior radius on that corner. So if I want to put what is called a fillet here, I'm just going to put a 0.5 radius on all 3 of these locations. So if I go back to fillet, R, enter, 0.5, enter, and I want to put 1.5 here, right click, repeat. I do not have to change or set the radius again this time because I want the same radius. So I left click there and there. I'll right click and repeat one more time and click here and here. So that is the fillet command, allowing you to put rounded edges on square corners. Thank you for watching.